In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT in Google Slides. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. This is going to be a fantastic way to streamline your presentation creation process, saving you time and enhancing the quality of your slides with the help of AI. So whether you're a student, a teacher, a business professional, or just someone who loves creating compelling presentations, this tutorial is for you. All right, let's dive right in. First things first, open Google Slides in your browser. Once you're there, navigate to the presentation you want to enhance with ChatGPT. When you're inside your chosen presentation, take a look at the top menu bar. You'll see an option labeled Extensions. This is where Google houses all sorts of add-ons and extra tools that can expand the capabilities of Google Slides. Now, click on Extensions, and then select Add-ons. A drop-down menu will appear, and you want to choose Get Add-ons. This step will open the Google Workspace Marketplace. It's a treasure trove of tools and integrations that can help you supercharge your Google Slides experience. In the search bar of the Marketplace, type in GPT. A variety of results will pop up, but the one you really want is called GPT for Sheets, Docs, Forms, Slides. This is the powerful add-on designed to integrate ChatGPT into Google Slides, allowing you to connect AI right into your presentation workflow. Once you spot it, click on it to access the add-on page. Now, here comes a crucial step. Click the Install button. When you do this, Google is going to ask for certain permissions before it installs the add-on. This is pretty standard procedure, so just go ahead and click Continue when prompted. It's essential to give your approval for Google to add this tool to your account. You might see another permission screen pop up after that, so just click Continue again if necessary. After that, choose the Google account you want to link with this add-on and approve the installation. Once that's done, you'll see the confirmation that the add-on has been successfully installed and you're all set. Now that you have the GPT tool added to your Google Slides, you can start reaping the benefits. You can generate slide content, brainstorm new ideas, rewrite text, or simply help speed up the process of putting together your presentations. This capability is particularly beneficial for students, teachers, business users, marketers, and just about anyone who frequently builds presentations. If you don't see the add-on right away, don't worry. A quick refresh of your Google Slides page should do the trick. Sometimes it just needs that little nudge to appear in the Extensions menu. Once it's available, you can easily start utilizing the ChatGPT features through the add-ons interface, allowing you to create presentations